Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and the correct Windows build. This matters because permissions affect device access. Open Windows Fax and Scan from start right away. Once done, verify your scanner or multifunction printer is powered and physically connected. Cables and network links are common failure points. Make sure drivers are current in Device Manager so Windows can communicate with the hardware. Also close competing scanning apps and temporarily disable VPN or restrictive firewall rules so the device can be discovered. Now you dive into configuration. Select New Scan and pick a profile, document for text or photo for images, because the profile controls color mode and DPI. Once chosen, select the source such as flatbed or ADF and confirm paper size and orientation so your scans aren't cropped. Click Preview to fine-tune brightness, contrast, and resolution. Adjusting these prevents repeated rescans. If your scanner is networked, explicitly choose it by IP address to avoid name conflicts. Then perform a test scan to validate settings and connectivity. Finish by saving your scan in the appropriate format, PDF for documents, JPEG for photos, and pick compression to balance quality and file size. If you intend to fax, configure fax accounts and a cover page, then link a modem or online fax provider. This ensures outgoing jobs route correctly. If something fails, restart the print spooler service and reconnect the device. Next, reinstall drivers and confirm the modem COM port in Device Manager. If problems persist, run Windows troubleshooters and retry the test scan or fax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.